Hey Robin, how are you doing? My name is Leo from Rona Marketing. We spoke on the phone about sending this video over to you. It's got some tips for you that can help bring in more business using your website and your Google business profile. And I'd love to hear some feedback from you. And I hope these strategies are helpful. Now, as you see, I've got my ProRoofing pulled up. ProRoofing. Um, Love the logo. Love how you got the roofs in there and your logo. And love your pictures, man. Y'all do great work, really quality work from the pictures and from the reviews. Looks like you guys are really doing a great job. You service a lot of areas, which is great because you definitely want to have a long reach. Um, Click on it. Okay. Um, what I would suggest though here is to add more content. Google loves content. Google sends bots out 24/7 to crawl these sites to see what these sites are about and where they actually provide service. So you want to have a minimal of 1,500 words of command content on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to add buyer intent keywords. Now, buyer intent keyword is simply the service that you provide and the locations that you provide that service in. You also want to make sure that you're saving photos as keywords because photos and videos count as keywords as well. They count as content. So this could be roofing, Marriott, Georgia, re-roof, Marriott, Georgia, things like that. Just tell them the city that you are in and then also the service that you do. So Marietta roof repair, Marietta re-roof, Marietta new roof. That is where you are at and then the service that you provide. I like how you got the click to call up here, got your free estimates, you got your form submit, you got your chat here. Those are all great ways to be able to communicate to your customer. Now, what I've done is I've actually taken your website and put it in a tool I use called Eris, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. So I've got your keywords pulled up here. We'll touch back in on those here in just a second. I'll show you about those. But this is your UR, your DR. This is a strength that your website has, and this is a trust that your website has with Google. Now you have 618 backlinks with 166 referring domains. A backlink is simply one website linking to another website via clickable button or text. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. Some are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the backlink that's more authoritative and relevant to your industry and that's local to you. Now, these numbers are out of 100. So you want to try to keep these balanced and continuously moving up because that, again, that is your strength and trust of your website. Now, these are the keywords that you're being indexed for. Again, you want to make sure that it is the service that you provide and in the city. So roof inspection, Atlanta, there's 200 searches a month for that and a 0 KD, which is really smart because if people are looking for roof inspections, you get to pop up in that search first, and then you can take advantage of getting that job. Let's see through here, really not seeing any other siding repair, Marietta, Georgia. Is a keyword difficulty of 14 and it's only 90 searches a month. That's a really high keyword for not a lot of searches. And the keyword difficulty, which is KD, goes up to 100 as well. And the higher the KD, the harder it is to rank. Now, the way I found you was through the Google Guarantee. So I know you was paying for this Google Guarantee. And that's a great way to get service quickly. But once you stop paying, of course, you're gone off of that home page. And this is your map pack right here. And you're not in this top 3 right now, and that's fine because there's many ways to be able to get here. You want to make sure you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet because you don't want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character About Us section at the bottom needs to be filled out. And don't forget to add keywords in those as well. Make sure that you're posting geotagged and geolocated photos weekly because that's really going to help you rank organically. And then by adding citations. Now, a citation, also known as a NAP, is your business name, your business address, and your business phone number. And you want to add those in directories like Yellow Pages or White Pages or Yelp. because at the end of the day, Google's just a big popularity contest. So the more directories that have your information, it's really going to start making Google trust you more, and it'll help boost your business not only in your area, but your surrounding areas as well. Now, being in this top 3 on this Google Map Pack is going to give you 30 to 40% of traffic that goes to your website. They're going to give you a call right from there. Now, under that is your organics. And this is where you're going to get 60 to 70% of your business. Marietta Roofing Company is your #1 competitor in the organics. And as you can see, they don't have a bad website. But they don't have a lot of content. So implementing having more content than their site, you'll start to outrank them while adding those keywords and backlinks in there as well. Now, I wanted to show you, these are keywords that should be throughout your content. Marietta Roofer is 350 searches a month at a 4 KD. Anything under 6 or 7 ranks pretty quickly. And by pretty quickly, I mean a couple months. But you've got to let these keywords age, and you've got to let these bots crawl these keywords and see that they're in your content. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. There's 3,000 or 4,000 right here just for these keywords, and they're pretty low KDs. But I also wanted to show you this here as well. I know you service Sandy Springs. No one in Sandy Springs is taking advantage of SEO, search engine optimization. They're not optimizing their website, and I know that because there's no difficulty in ranking these words. So you've got 1,000 searches just right here, or just 900 just adding a back page with location and adding Sandy Springs, roofing Sandy Springs, and roofer Sandy Springs. And that's 900 search volume a month. Even if you got 5% of that, that's 45 more jobs a month just from the Sandy Springs area. So the Marietta and the Sandy Springs are some monsters. Atlanta is about the same volume, but the keyword difficulty is in the 20s, and that is insane. So I think attacking these smaller cities that doesn't have a lot of competition will really help push you out there and gain a lot of extra jobs. So as you can see here, Robin, there's a decent amount of volume. Once you start ranking, a percentage of that volume is going to go to your website, and then a percentage of that's going to give you a call. And then depending on your close rate, you'll turn them into a customer. So I definitely hope this video was helpful, and I'd love to hear some feedback from you about this video. Even if you got questions, comments, or concerns, I can be that resource for you. Don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for your time, and I hope you have an awesome day.